Hi friends, welcome to SMN channel. In today's video, we will see that the in our school we had Viksit Bharat science exhibition. So this is the entrance, and in entrance we all saw this, and it was written as Science Brains at Work. So we have now entered into here. So next we directly came to computer lab to play some games because my mother directly came here because I was there in computer exhibition. I was not there in science exhibition. So this is the game I created. The only this game only I have created. The others have created the other game, but my brother asked what I created, which game I created. So I showed him, and I also told the rules to play. So he was playing.
ಏನು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ವಿಕಾಸ ನೀನು ಮಾಡಿಸು ಹೇಳು ಮಾಡಿಸು ಸೈಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿಸು ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ನೀನು ಮಾಡಿಸು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿಸು ಬೇಗ ಈಗ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಲ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಹೇಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಈ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಆಪಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಎಂಟರ್ ಬರ್ಗರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಗರ್ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಗರ್ ಬರ್ಗರ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡೋನಟ್ Nine two is 18. 18 minus 10 is 8. ಏನದು ಓಕೆ ನೀವು 1.5 ಹೋದಾಗ ಇದು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ 1 2 3 4 5
after the computer lab, we came to the science exhibition. Here they were telling about the organic plants and the mixing of it, and they also gave us in practicals, and they told how the organic plants grow, and even they grew. Then how the steps to grow the organic plants, and they also watered this lemon water and orange water to that. So they were also informing us about that also. This science exhibition was held in Delhi Public International School, Esargata Road. So my brother hold the stick and he tried to mix it. He got confused and he did like that. He didn't know what to do. So he just mixed the water. So she also, the students also showed that the homemade cake, also the bacteria was sticking to the homemade cake, because the cake had some that was not homemade cake, that was bakery cake. So she told that almost avoid eating bakery cake. So only this much she told. And the other kids were also doing the science exhibition itself. They were explaining that.